Okay, so there's a perfume spot in this place that makes copy perfumes of expensive perfumes. Like you can say they're second or third copies. And I tried them, believe it or not. They are exactly the same. Let me just show you guys. So I came across this Yusuf shop right there, and this shop is actually quite distinct. The reason for that is this shop recreates perfumes. Let's say if you buy a Chanel perfume and you just ask them to recreate it, they will recreate it for you for like 100 times less the price. And this is kind of cool. I mean, anyone who just wants their best perfume can just come by here. And I'm gonna go inside to see what this is actually all about. Okay, so here I can see there's some meat shops here along with some food shops. You can buy some crisps there. They're exotic crisps. They're not like the ones like Lay's or Takis and stuff. They're different. Some of them are Nimcos and I really like them. There's some, they are special only to this place. So I got a chance to eat them and they were nice. As you can see, the windows. Good. Well, let's get in here.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm from. You're from?
Me?
Yes.
United States.
Yes. Hello.
Okay. So, it kind of stank, but still was great. Then we have a barber shop right there.